Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another review for you guys. This is from LA Police Gear. This is called the Side Rail XWL Tactical Light. It's about 800 lumens. It comes in coyote and it also comes in black. That's the packaging you can see right there. What I really like about this thing, it's more of a budget option. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a pistol light, this is probably in the realm of possibilities. You're looking at $69.99, 70 bucks, maybe a little cheaper depending on where you can find it. The other big name brands, Surefire, Streamlight, you're probably looking at 100 plus. All right, so if you want to get under that 100 mark and need a very good, decent type light, I think this is the one for you. Let me talk a little bit about the specs. All right, the LA Police Gear Side Rail XWL Tactical Weapons Light is the result of many hours of research and testing, countless samples, and a desire to produce a unique weapons light. The core of this light is our patented pending slide rail feature, I'll show you that in a minute, which enables the light to fit the Glock or similar polymer rail only without requiring you to change out any parts. Because of the unique functionality of the side rail, the XWL is able to be mounted to your pistol rail and adjust in place of the rail and extract positions you'd like. Aside from this amazing slide rail feature, the XWL also features an 800 lumen output and a 1.5 hour runtime. This light is powerful on only 3 volt CR123 lithium batteries included. The overall size of the OWL means it will fit well in existing light-bearing holsters on the market. All of these are amazing features. Make this one of the best weapons lights on the market. One of the best prices. You definitely won't be sacrificing quality either. Okay, available at LA Police Gear or at Amazon.com, and I will show you that in a minute. So what they're really talking about, and this is the packaging. I'll show you this in a second. Is inside here, this little slide rail, okay? It has an adjustment screw. So they supply you with a tool. What's cool about this is it's already set up for my Glock, but if I want to, I could loosen this. Lefty loosey, there you go. I could loosen it, and then instead of putting pieces that are in there, let's say I had some type of Picatinny rail, you'll see that I could slide this back and forth, okay, very easily. All right, see if I can get my fingers in there. Slides back and forth. I could adjust it as needed. The tensioner or the this lock piece right here is very typical, just to fit it onto the gun. So the way it would kind of work is I would pre-adjust it. Again, my weapon is safe. There's nothing inside, nothing in the chamber. The way I would do it is I would kind of adjust it from here, you know, try to set it up to where it's locked in. Okay, make sure that it's good to go. Take my Allen screw, all right, tighten it up just to make sure that I'm in the slot that I want. All right, and then what I'm going to do is actually tighten it on the gun, as you can see here. Okay, all right, so that's not going anywhere. Okay, so with this light you get 800 lumens. All right, very simply designed. All right, if I flip it down and lock it on the right side, it will lock in place. Alternately, if I flip it up on the left side, it will lock in place. So right side's locked, left side is temporary. Okay, you can see I'm pulling it down, it is temporary only, and on this side if I push it up, it's temporary only. Okay, very simplistic design, very simple to work, very similar to the Streamlights, TLR1s, TLR1 HLs, that kind of thing. The design is supposed to be very similar to that as well as far as thickness goes. All right, it has these ribs on the bottom for heat dissipation. Really solid lockup, nice, good to go. Now the only thing I would say is they do tell you that this is very similar to the TLR1, so if you did have a TLR1 holster set up, that it should fit. Now I'm going to tell you that not all holsters are made the same, especially Kydex holsters. So for my Kydex holster, the one I have here that is made for my TLR, this is a Glock 19 TLR1. This is made by Bravo Concealment. It won't fit, okay? It just won't. It's just not made for that. This is a very specific manufacturer, but if I use a leather holster, all right, this one is made by Bianchi, it fits just fine, okay? So it's not one size fits all. You will have to try it and test it just to see if it'll work. I do like the fact that it comes in 2 colors. It's got Old Glory on there. And again, I've been running this light for a while now, and it seems to do its job. I think overall, it's a great product. I'm kind of impressed with it for the money that it costs. For $70 or under, if you can find it, it's definitely a great product. So I would definitely recommend this. If you guys are interested, or if you are in the market, please go check out LA Police Gear Slide Rail XWL Tactical Light. All right, you get 800 lumens for 1.5. It is Ipx6 Waterproof. You get 210 meters. All right, and you could drop it up to 1 meter. Please don't drop it. No, I'm kidding. And nobody should be dropping their guns. Thank you very much, guys. What I need you to do is like, subscribe, put some comments down below. It really helps the algorithms. It really helps this channel. And if you like to see more stuff like that, just let me know. All right, guys. Thank you very much. And as always, stay safe.